Welcome. In today's video, we're going to learn step-by-step how to export GIFs from your bot chats on the Telegram app for PC after the new update. If you've been using Telegram bots and collecting fun GIFs along the way, this method will let you safely export them and keep them stored on your computer. Let's jump right in. First, open up your Telegram app on your PC. Once you're on the main screen, look towards the top left corner and click on the 3 horizontal lines. This will open up the side menu with all of your main options. From there, head straight into Settings. Inside the Settings menu, find and click on Advanced. This is the section where Telegram gives you control over more detailed features, including exporting your data. Now, scroll down until you see the section labeled Export Telegram Data. This is the tool we'll be using. Go ahead and click on it. A new window will open showing you everything you can choose to export. But since we're only interested in GIFs from bot chats, let's narrow it down. First, make sure you select only bot chats. Then, scroll further down until you see the option for GIFs. Check that box to make sure only GIFs will be included in the export. Once you've made those selections, click on Export. Telegram will begin preparing your data. Depending on how many GIFs you have, this process might take some time, so don't worry if it doesn't finish instantly. As soon as Telegram is done with the export, you'll see a clear option that says Show My Data. Click on it, and your exported files will open up. Inside, you'll find a folder with all your GIFs neatly organized and ready to use outside of Telegram. That's it. You've successfully exported all your GIFs from bot chats using the updated Telegram app on your PC. It's a simple process once you know where to look. And now your collection of GIFs can be saved, shared, or even backed up so you never lose them. If this walkthrough helped you, be sure to take advantage of the new update and keep your favorite content safe. Thanks for watching.